her Portuguese take on the simple supper.
And now Hajinda's great feast.
We've sorted out two favourite supper dishes from our families.
My mum's fantastic one-pot pan agati and what we think is the best rice pudding in the world.
So, we're ready, old son. Bring on the recipe fair.
Gone.
Bright and early, we're ready to get started on today's recipe fair.
Oh no.
For our foodie Glastonbury, we've sorted out a circus big top.
Alright lads, somebody take the factory out of that.
Which will be home to our simple supper cookery demonstration later.
I've always wondered how they built a big top though.
It's an engineering wonder.
And 3 other tops that will be filled with Britain's mums sharing their recipe secrets with each other.
Morning, Gerard. And Jared Baker, our food historian, is here to shed light on all the dishes that the mums will be bringing with them.
Second the recipes, which is great.
We're going to do my mum's killer fish cakes.
Oh yeah. Oh, and rice pudding as well.
Outside the tents, it's looking like we might have to get our rain ponchos out again.
Back, I say. Back clouds, back rain, back pestilence. Bring in the sunshine, bring in mothers.
The big finale to the recipe fair will be the supper banquet for local foodies, and the 3 mums that we found on our travels will be doing the cooking.
Welcome to your world.
Look at this. This is going to be your workspace for the next, day. No good. The food that we ate in all of your homes was just brilliant.
It's going to be quite an eclectic supper though, I think. It's a beet and potato salt cod curry. Whoa! So are you looking forward to it? How are you feeling about it?
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing all the different recipes and trying all the different things as well, and really having a good laugh basically.
Yeah. But I've never had Portuguese food, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Well, we'll see.
We better get on, we've got a lot to do.
We are. Let's go. See you later, ladies.
Bye.
And with our supper cooks happily installed in their recipe fair kitchen, it's time to let the mums
And a good few dads
into the mums know best simple suppers recipe fair. Right, well it looks like the recipe fair has opened. And thank you for coming.